How to copy files that have too long of a file path in Windows. I need to make backups of some files on a network share. However, I need to copy those files to my local drive before burning the disks because those files might be in use. Some of the files won't copy because the file path is too long. Is there any workaround other than changing the file structure?
Maximum path length is 260 in Windows Vista 7. I can recommend 3 solutions. If the path is too long, first copy the folder to upper levels in Windows Explorer and then move it to your local computer. If file names are too long, first try to zip for R7Z them with an archive application and then copy the archive file to your local computer and then extract the contents. Use third-party apps. All of these suggestions assume you have some sort of write access on the network shared folder computer. If you can't do any of these, then you might need help from your administrator.
Robust file and folder copy. Windows 7 and above, including Windows 10. Robocopy XP027 is a standard command on Windows 7 and above. Windows versions is greater than May 7 have other Robocopy versions. As Robocopy is still maintained. Please read the link above for more details regarding limitations in specific versions of Robocopy. NT4/Windows 2000. The Windows Server 2003 Resource Kit tools include Robocopy XP010, which can be run on NT4/Windows 2000, Windows 95, or NT 3.5. Robocopy does not run on Windows 95 or NT 3.5. Robocopy is a Unicode application. Windows 95 or NT 3.5 workaround. The Microsoft Robocopy GUI will install Robocopy XP026 to C:/Windows/System32. This version can run on older OSs and includes some features from XP027/bytes, but has completely broken error level handling. Robocopy jobs and the monitor source option provide an alternative to setting up a scheduled task to run a batch file with a Robocopy command.
You can access path lengths up to ~32,767 superscript 1 characters by prefixing them with \\\, \\, \\, C column \, some \, really \, long \path. This works from the command prompt and any other programs which use the Win32 Unicode API methods, including C# applications and anything else written in the .NET framework. Documentation. It does require a file system that supports long paths, for example NTFS, but if you have a long path problem, that's a given. Note that certain applications and a lot of native tools, like Explorer, will have problems with these paths, so use this to get yourself out of a hole, not into one. You can also use a variant \\, \, UNC / to access long paths across network shares. \, \, UNC / server_name /share_name /. Superscript 1 for those that are interested. It is 32,767, not 32,768, as it's a null terminated string, but the \\, \, may be expanded, consuming some characters, so don't rely on the count being precise.
FastCopy is open source C project written by Shiruzu Hiroaki and is the fastest copy delete software on Windows. It supports Unicode and over max_path, 260 characters, file path names. If you have hundreds of paths that are too long to fix, use Path Tool Long Auto Fixer tool.
If you want to support the channel, please